Love being on screen and doing shit. What the fuck, man? Are you serious? There's kids here. There's kids. How dare you?
Elevator rides are fun.
So where do we have to go to fucking...
You know what's funner than elevator rides?
It's fucking dirty. Oh, it's gonna smell in here. Fucking hit the... No, I'm gonna fucking hit the
You
ground.
know what time it is. Part 2.
Bro, respond to your Facebook. I mean, you put like, are you trying to kick it? She said, where? And then you guys are in contact that phone.
So let's go inside.
Same old shit, just a different day.
Okay, what resolution does it have?
Yvonne.
3.0, bro.
Oh.
3.0.
Oh. You're 3.0?
Fuck, dude.
Oh. JP, how you doing?
We're in fucking set. What is wrong with you?
Come here. Look at this right here.
God damn it. What the fuck? There is actresses here. How dare you?
What was that?
Come on.
Yvonne.
Dude, you're fucking crazy.
Hey.
For sure.
You know what I've been kind of skeptical about? Trying to be as discreet as possible. Yes, Mom.
It's a clinically tested breakthrough that balances yeast and bacteria. Fresh Pro B balances yeast and bacteria every day.
What if you... The Sleep Number bed costs about the same as an internet, but lasts twice as long. So if you want to sleep better or find relief for your bad back, call...
Just trying to shit your pants on. Trying to shit your pants on. Trying to Snapchat some shit. Fucking sick.
Pretty funny. You can make it a bony. Don't burn me though. Go.
It's gone. It's gone.
Go.
I have the fucking same view as you. 2, 3.
Oh!
Wake up.